guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is a new one. I haven't opened it fully, but I opened it and then the letter fell out and then I realised what it was, so I stopped because I wanted to film it. And it is a wax melt company called Pretty Little Soy. They contacted me and they are some of my followers who have made this company and they wanted me to review it. So it says thank you so much for accepting our review offer. Really means the world to us as a small business. We look forward to hearing your review and we hope that you like it as much as we do. Happy Halloween. And we also want to give you a little code for you and your followers to use on your next order, which is loose10, and it will get you 10% off your order. So Instagram, they are Pretty Little Soy. I'll link them here, I'll link them down below, and I'll link their website. They are vegan, cruelty-free, affordable, highly scented, handmade soy wax melts and more, based in Derbyshire in the UK and CLP compliant. So let's get in. I'm trying not to rip the box, but I didn't want to. It's got a Halloween sticker that says Pretty Little Soy. Cute! So this is the Halloween box. They know I love Halloween and they know I love skulls and stuff and they know I'm a wax melt whore. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They're so cool. Look. Can you see? They're all different. That was a bat that just fell out. It's a pumpkin. Let's go through them one by one. So the bat, oh my God, look at that. That is so freaking cute. This is licorice candy. Let's have a little smell on you. Oh my God. Oh my God. That literally smells like sweets. Oh, that smells so... I nearly wanted to bite that then. I do that with quite a lot of wax melts. I always want to eat them, which is a good sign. It's got glitter in it. Look. You see them sparkling. Look how cool that is. Oh my goodness. I actually want to eat that. Make my mouth water. That's ridiculous, Lucy. You need to stop. That's just insane. Because I've got any chocolate today. Next is toffee apple. They've got all the little allergic things and details on the back of, you can't see that very well, but like all the little things on there. Ooh. So cute. Oh my goodness, it smells really fresh. Oh, that smells like something else. What is that? Oh, I can't put my finger on it. That smells like something that I have and I don't know what it smells like. That's so annoying. What do you smell like? That'll come to me at like 2 in the morning. I'll wake up and be like, and then I'll be like, what the fuck are you talking about? This one is this one just says Happy Halloween. Oh, this one I think it says lemon. Is this lemon? I think this is lemon. That smells so nice. It smells like lemon sweets. I think it's lemon anyway. I love how cute they are. Oh, I'm gonna put these in my big burner and then I'm gonna do like a time lapse of it melting it and nothing. That was a really awful face, I apologise. All right, next up we've got a little skull. This is candy corn. They look like white chocolate. Oh my God. It smells like chocolate. Look how cool that is. I love the detail on that. That is amazing. That literally just smells like chocolate. And it looks, I'm not gonna eat it. It looks like white chocolate, like a really big chunk of white chocolate. Stop it, I'm so hungry. Oh, this one says toasted marshmallow. It smells sweet. I don't think it smells like marshmallow. I should have something to smell like in between them to like cleanse, like you cleanse your palate, but like to cleanse your nose holes. It's really cute and it smells very sweet, but I wouldn't know that was marshmallow. I would just think it's some kind of nice sweet wax smell, but I wouldn't know marshmallow on that one. And then we've got pumpkin pie. I don't know what pumpkin pie smells like, so I'm intrigued with this one. It's a little pumpkin. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like cinnamon. Go away, fly. It smells a bit like that candle, to be honest, which is gingerbread. What is in you? Does it say? I don't know. But it smells amazing. It smells very kind of, there's like, I want to say there's like nutmeg and clove and cinnamon and ginger. That smells really nice. I think that's the one I'm going to burn first. I don't want to burn the bat first. I don't know. I really like the bat, but then I kind of love the bat. I want to keep him because he's just so cute. He's my favourite picture. Like the physicalness of him. I just think he's amazing. He's so cute. That one and that one are my favourite. I will do a time lapse of one of them melting into themselves with my GoPro, and then I'll insert that at the end of the video. Thank you so much to Pretty Little Soy for sending me these. It means the absolute world that you would want my opinion on them. Thank you. So yeah, thanks for sending them. I'll leave the link and everything down below, their Instagram, any other social medias they've got, and their website, and the link for the discount code down below for you guys. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Let me know, what is your favourite wax melt smell that you have ever had? Let me know. I'm very interested to hear. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.